What's up? This is Roger Realtor, and today I'm going to show you what $680,000 gets you in Roosevelt, New York. This house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, fully finished basement, completely renovated from top to bottom. This baby is brand spanking new. And by the way, if you need any information on anything that I showcase on any one of my channel, all my contact information is in the description below. If you just need information about the school district over in Nassau, reach out to me. I would love to talk to you. So as you can see, a nice big living room and kitchen combo. That'd be your living room, dining room, and this is a big size kitchen. Nice countertop. Brand new stove. Brand new microwave, nice stainless steel refrigerator. Everything is brand new. Deep sink. Brand new dishwasher. And right next to the kitchen, there's a door that you can go outside. We'll take a look at that later. Let's now take a look in, downstairs in the basement and see what we got down here. Nice open space, nice ceiling. Everything is nice and clean. That's your HVAC system right there. As you can see, it's brand new. To the side, see what we got. Got your wash and dry hookup right here. Then you have a nice big closet right here. Downstairs is nice, man. Real nice lot of space. A lot of lights also. Alright, so let's take a look upstairs. Closet. And you have this humongous room up here. Look at this size room up here, man. Nicely done, nicely done. A lot of storage space. And here is your second bathroom. That's Alright, so there you have it. This is the second floor. Driveway. And we're gonna go straight to the backyard. Nice size backyard. Everything is fencing, as you can see. A lot of storage over here also. And we could go all the way around. Let's take a walk. Alright, man, So there you have it. And by the way, if you need any information on anything that I showcase on any one of my channel, all my contact information is in the description below. If you just need information about the school district over in Nassau, reach out to me. I would love to talk to you.